Hey everyone, it's Sam here. So today I'm going to show you how to make this quick aperture card. It was really just to show off the lovely die that I've got here with Charlie Brown and Snoopy on their travels. So if you enjoy Peanuts, I have been helping with the launch of this latest collection. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make this. So this is the Peanuts collection that I've been using for the last few tutorials, and today I'm using this one here. It's a really easy card, but I just wanted to show this off because it's actually a really lovely die. So that's the set. You also get ephemera, you get the 2 Stampin' Die set, you get a layered stencil set, and you get your 8x8 papers, and I'm using the orangey mustard coloured one there. It's this one. But this is it here. It's just gorgeous. I really like it. I think it's a fab die. It's a nice size, so you get your main outline and then you just get all the pieces to build it up. Just follow exactly what's on there, but you can cut the windows out, which I've done, and I've just added a bit of plastic packaging behind it there. But you can also just keep, you don't have to cut through. So like there's your frames, and then you add these in. That's your actual windows that would cut through, if that makes sense. So what I did is I popped them inside each of these sections and just popped a bit of tape there to hold it in place, ran it through, and it gave me all of the brown frames, and then I used that, sat it inside the frame, and it cut right through. But if you just want to keep this, maybe you're putting it on white card, you want to stamp them onto it, you can do, but I've stamped them and I've just fussy cut Charlie Brown and Snoopy there. You get the little wheel, steering wheel as well, and then you get everything. I did pop them on some spinners, but it looked a little bit odd, but that's an idea, or wobblers, the wheels, if you wanted to. And you got the little flowers, and then you've got your sign there and the sentiments. So I'm going to use all of that, but I just thought it'd be nice just to kind of show you how that looks. So I've got myself here a 6x6 top fold. I've actually cut this from A4, so it's 5 7/8. So if you've got A4 card, just score it at 5 7/8 and cut it along this side at 5 7/8. And then when you fold it down, this is close to 6 inches if you're using that size cardstock. And then I've just cut this piece, which actually I'm going to stick inside. This is just under, so I think it was 5 5/8 squared. So I just thought it would be nice to have, you could see that through the acetate. So I'm just going to stick that one down on the back. And then I'm just going to flip it over, and on this one here I want to cut my aperture, so I'm going to do a circle. The diameter of this one is, this is about a 5-inch diameter, and then I've taken the next size up. I just used my circle, these ones here, nesting dies, just take the next one up and just tape them together when you've got an even ring, and then run it through. And I've used this card colour because it matches, and I've got that ring that's going to frame this piece. Okay, so now we've got our aperture. You could pop some acetate behind this if you wanted to, but I think by the time I stick this down, and I'm going to use my construction glue, this will dry nice and hard, so it should be fine. Okay, so we've got our aperture, and then I want to add this one in the middle, so the wheels are flush with the bottom of the card, so when it stands up, yeah, that's right on the bottom. I think that looks quite sweet. There we go, so that's everything finished. Like I said, it's a simple card, but I think it shows off the car really nice. I think I'm going to use this again on a kinetic card, so it actually moves. I've got a little idea, so you may see me use this one again. So for this one I would have my message on the back there, but when it's displayed, it's really sweet seeing through the windows there to see that background design as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick card from me today using the new Peanuts collection. All of the products that I've used, as always, will be linked below. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and drop me a comment too, because I do enjoy reading them. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.